Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the camshaft sensor on Alfa Romeo 159 1.9 diesel. Now of course this method can be used on different variation of this engine and on the engines that can be found in Fiat and Opel. The sensor is located on the left side and it is this one right here. Now sadly this connector is broken, but I'm gonna show you on a different one how to undo it. Alright, to unplug it, all you gotta do is pull on this yellow tab and press on this black plastic piece in. I'm gonna unplug it. I don't know how well can you see it, but the sensor is held in place by only one 10mm screw. So I'm gonna undo it. And I'm gonna pull the sensor out. It's basically as simple as that. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our 50.